Hi everyone, it's Jeff Higgins from Higgins Storm Chasing. It is Wednesday the 29th of May 2019. Okay, a quick look at Queensland. Up until yesterday, the GFS model was forecasting widespread rain across the eastern half of the state. However, it was only going to be a 50-50 chance due to models not agreeing with the scenario. Now, there's been some pretty big changes today in the forecast. With the GFS model particularly backing off rainfall totals through the eastern half of the state. So I'll show you what's more likely to occur now into the weekend from about Friday through till Sunday is some showers from Cairns down to about Mackay, with the heaviest falls focused around the North Tropical Coast, and that will be due to some onshore wind flows remaining through these areas here. Down here in the southeast corner on Sunday, there's a possibility of a few showers and isolated storms, or scattered showers and isolated storms, due to a weak trough moving through. Here's the GFS model that previously had half of the state covered in rain. Now it doesn't. It's contracted everything to the coast again, Cairns to Mackay for some showers, and then possibly from about Maryborough, Fraser Island down through the southeast coast for some showers there, which would be more likely to occur on Sunday. All right, that's enough for the Queensland state. Now, I do want to go in and have a look at southeast Queensland. So let's go. We're going to be hit by some pretty cold, wintry weather coming up, particularly tomorrow. So I will zoom in to the southeast quarter of the state here now on my screen. And Thursday tomorrow, okay, big burst, big cold front coming through with southerly to southwesterly winds pushing right across the southern half of the state, if you like, and particularly through southeast Queensland and southern inland Queensland regions here. You can see the wind gusts there are up to 60 kilometres an hour on the downs and the ranges. Now, what this does mean, okay, not too bad of a start in the morning. A little bit cool through the inland areas, but I wouldn't expect any frost. But have a go at the temperatures across southeast Queensland tomorrow for maximums. You're looking Warwick and Stanthorpe down around 14, 12 degrees. Toowoomba's struggles up to about 16 if they're lucky. And this whole entire southeast inland area or southern inland area will experience some very cold conditions, particularly with the strong winds that will take up to 8 degrees off of the forecast maximum temperatures there, guys. Southeast parts, it will cool down and those winds will come through, so the wind chill factor there will also be very notable. Now, on Friday, the cold air does remain. The winds do ease a little bit along the coastal area over here on the southeast coast, but you can see they're maintained southerlies right across the southern inland, and it does push right up through central districts as well on Friday. What that does mean for Friday is that we are looking at widespread frost through the Darling Downs, Maranoa and Warrego. Granite Belt, we could be looking at severe frost there around Stanthorpe. And these frosts may just edge in east of the ranges down through Gatton and the scenic rim Boonabo Desert. Western parts of the Wide Bay, Burnett, Kingaroy, you're looking for a frost on Friday morning as well. Severe frost also, as a quick mention, down here on the northern tablelands of New South Wales. So Friday morning certainly going to be very, very cold, and we will certainly feel it anywhere south of about Rockhampton down the coast as well, guys. Maximum temperatures on Friday will also remain cool to cold, especially through inland areas. You can see here top temps around about the 16 degree mark. A little bit of wind chill factor remaining, and with large areas going for sub 18 inland there. Coastal regions about that 19 to 20 generally. All right, that won't be the end of it. Things will continue to warm up a little bit through the weekend. It won't be too bad through the weekend. And then on Monday and Tuesday, there is yet another wave of cold air. I do believe that Tuesday will be even colder next week, with tops of around 13, 12, 13 through inland areas and struggling to 19 on the coast. So that'll keep some people happy who like winter. Now you can see there on Monday, the wind streams pushing through again on Monday and into Tuesday next week. So a couple of blasts, and there's Tuesday. Check that out. Big gusts of wind up to 70 k's an hour at Toowoomba on Tuesday as yet another cold front pushes through. So quite cold conditions coming up. Winter's coming a few days earlier. For southeast Queensland, you can see it down here. I will reload the sat viewer here for today, and you can see the first round of cold air coming up through Tasmania, Victoria at the moment. It will come up through New South Wales tonight and then reach us tomorrow and into Friday up here into Queensland. But you can see that the cold air mass is very, very large. And then we have a series of cold fronts to come through next week as well. And there is reasoning behind that, which I'll do a blog up shortly and explain why we could be looking at easily the best snow season start for at least a decade, and quite an early winter onset through parts of Queensland and northern New South Wales, with continuing frost and cold weather coming up in June. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Just a quick update on what's been happening or what's about to happen through Queensland. The rain's backed off, cold conditions and frost coming up for southern and southeast districts. Thanks for watching, guys.